Forget the beaches and fancy resorts. While they have their charm, they don't capture the essence of a place. They're often designed to cater to tourists, offering a sanitized version of the local culture. But if you want to experience the true heartbeat of a region, you need to venture beyond the glossy brochures and curated experiences. When I want a real taste of a place, I seek out its authentic flavors and traditions. I look for the stories that are told through its food, its people, and its landscapes. It's in these moments that you find the soul of a destination. I head for the heartland, where life moves at a different pace. Here you can feel the rhythm of the land and the people who work it. It's a place where every sunrise brings new hope and every sunset offers a moment of reflection. In Pakistan, that means Saroda. This city, often overlooked by tourists, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. It's a place where tradition meets modernity and where the past and present coexist in harmony. They call it the California of Pakistan, and for good reason. Saroda's citrus orchards are a sight to behold, stretching as far as the eye can see. The region's fertile soil and favorable climate make it ideal for growing some of the juiciest and most flavorful citrus fruits in the world. This ain't no tourist trap. It's a place where you can witness the daily lives of hardworking farmers and experience the genuine hospitality of the local people. Here, you'll find a community that takes pride in its agricultural heritage and is eager to share it with visitors. This is where Pakistan's soul shines through, in the sweat of its farmers and the bounty of its land. The dedication and passion of these farmers are evident in every fruit they harvest, and their stories are woven into the fabric of the land. In the sweat of its farmers and the bounty of its land, you can see the true spirit of Pakistan. It's a place where hard work and perseverance are rewarded with the fruits of the earth, and where every harvest is a testament to the resilience of its people. Saroda is all about agriculture, the real deal. It's not just about growing crops, it's about nurturing a way of life that has been passed down through generations. The fields here are a living testament to the region's rich agricultural heritage. We're talking endless fields of green and gold, a sight that'll make you believe in abundance again. The landscape is a patchwork of vibrant colors, each field telling its own story of growth and renewal. A sight that'll make you believe in abundance again. It's a reminder that nature, when respected and nurtured, can provide for us in ways that are both beautiful and bountiful. The air itself is different here, heavy with the scent of citrus and the promise of good, honest food. It's a place where you can breathe deeply and feel a connection to the land and its produce, heavy with the scent of citrus and the promise of good, honest food. The aroma of ripe fruit fills the air, mingling with the earthy scent of the soil, creating an olfactory experience that is both invigorating and grounding. It's the kind of place that slows you down, makes you appreciate the simple things. Here, you can take a moment to relax and enjoy the tranquility of nature, far from the hustle and bustle of city life. Makes you appreciate the simple things. It's in these quiet moments that you can truly connect with the essence of Saroda and understand the deep bond between the land and its people. This is a city that feeds the nation, a place where tradition and hard work are woven into the fabric of life. The local markets are bustling with activity, offering a glimpse into the daily lives of the people who call this place home, a place where tradition and hard work are woven into the fabric of life. The community here is close-knit, with everyone playing a role in maintaining the agricultural legacy of the region. Forget your five-star hotels and Michelin-starred restaurants. While they offer luxury and sophistication, they can't compare to the authenticity and warmth you'll find in Saroda. In Saroda, the real feast is out in the fields, under the open sky. It's a place where you can enjoy a simple meal made with fresh local ingredients, surrounded by the beauty of nature. This is the true essence of Saroda, a place where the land and its people come together to create something truly special. Now let's talk about what makes Saroda truly special. It's Kino Oranges. These vibrant, juicy fruits are the pride of the region, and for good reason. The Kino Orange is not just any citrus fruit. It's a symbol of the rich agricultural heritage of Saroda. Imagine driving for miles, the road stretching before you like an endless ribbon, flanked by lush green orchards on either side. The sight is nothing short of breathtaking, with the landscape painted in shades of green and orange. And on both sides, as far as the eye can see, row upon row of these magnificent trees stand tall. Each tree is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the farmers who tend to them. The branches are heavy with fruit, these brilliant orange orbs practically glowing in the sunlight. It's a sight that captures the essence of nature's bounty and the promise of a delicious treat. This is where Pakistan's famous Kino Oranges come from, folks. Saroda's unique climate and fertile soil create the perfect conditions for these oranges to thrive. These ain't your average oranges. They're sweeter, juicier, and bursting with flavor. Each bite is a delightful explosion of taste, a perfect balance of sweetness and tanginess. When you bite into a Saroda Kino, it's like tasting sunshine itself. The juice flows freely, and the flavor is so intense, it feels like a burst of sunshine in your mouth. They're so good, they're exported all over the world. From the orchards of Saroda to markets in Europe, Asia, and beyond, these oranges are a global favorite. But it's not just about the taste. These orchards are the lifeblood of Saroda. They provide employment to thousands of people, supporting families and communities. They provide jobs, livelihoods, and a sense of pride for the local community. The orchards are a place where people come together, work together, and celebrate together. It's an industry built on generations of knowledge and hard work, passed down from one generation to the next. The wisdom of the elders and the energy of the youth combine to create a thriving agricultural community, and the results are evident in every juicy, delicious bite. Each Kino Orange is a testament to the dedication and passion of the people of Saroda, a true taste of their heritage and pride. You can't talk about Saroda's abundance without mentioning the mighty Jalam River. This ain't just any river, folks. This is a lifeline, a source of life that snakes its way through the region, nourishing the land and sustaining its people. For centuries, the Jalam has been the backbone of agriculture in Saroda. Its waters, channeled through an intricate network of canals, irrigate the vast fields and orchards, ensuring a bountiful harvest year after year. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our deep connection to the natural world. Just picture this. The sun setting over the Jalam, its waters reflecting the golden light, the air filled with the sounds of nature. It's a scene of incredible peace and tranquility, a reminder that even in our modern world, some things remain timeless. Now, if you think Saroda is just endless fields, think again. This region, often overlooked, is a hidden gem of biodiversity. Beyond the vast stretches of agricultural land lies a world teeming with life, waiting to be discovered. The diverse terrain of Saroda, from its lush fields to its wetlands and forested areas, provides a perfect habitat for a variety of wildlife species. This place is teeming with life, a haven for creatures big and small. The rich ecosystem supports an array of animals, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. Whether it's the small insects that pollinate plants or the larger mammals that roam the countryside, every creature has its place in this intricate web of life. Look up, and you might just spot a majestic eagle soaring overhead, its keen eyes scanning the ground for prey. These powerful birds of prey are a symbol of the wild, their presence a testament to the health of the ecosystem, its wingspan casting a shadow over the land. The eagle is a sight to behold, a reminder of the untamed beauty that exists in Saroda. From colorful kingfishers diving for their catch, their vibrant plumage a splash of color against the serene waters, to graceful herons stalking through the wetlands, their long legs and necks perfectly adapted for wading through the shallow waters in search of food. Saroda is a birdwatcher's paradise. Enthusiasts from all over come here to witness the diverse avian life, each species adding to the rich tapestry of the region's wildlife. And it's not just the birds. The region is home to a surprising diversity of mammals, from foxes and jackals that roam the countryside, to the elusive desert hare, which can be spotted darting through the underbrush if you're lucky. The desert hare, with its keen senses and swift movements, is a master of evasion, making it a rare but rewarding sight for those who venture into its habitat. Walking through the countryside, you might even come across the tracks of a wild boar, evidence of their nocturnal foraging activities, or hear the rustling of leaves that betrays the presence of a shy deer, blending seamlessly into the forested areas. Saroda is a reminder that nature finds a way, even in places where human activity is prevalent. The coexistence of wildlife and human settlements is a testament to the resilience of nature. Even amidst the hustle and bustle of human activity, the wildlife of Saroda thrives, a testament to the enduring spirit of nature. Section 5, Beyond the Orchards, the Thal Desert and Margalla Hills. But Saroda's natural wonders don't end with its orchards and rivers. Venture beyond the city limits and you'll find yourself in a landscape of stark beauty and raw power. The Thal Desert. Imagine vast stretches of sand dunes sculpted by the wind into ever-changing shapes, a sea of gold stretching as far as the eye can see. It's a harsh environment, unforgiving yet strangely captivating. And then there are the Margalla Hills, rising majestically in the distance, a stark contrast to the flat plains. These hills are a haven for hikers and nature enthusiasts, offering breathtaking views and a chance to escape the city's heat. They're a reminder of the diversity of Pakistan's landscape, from the fertile plains to the rugged mountains. Section 6, the soul of Saroda, a tapestry of culture and nature. Now here's the thing about Saroda. It's not just about the produce or the landscapes, it's about the people, their warmth, their hospitality, and their deep connection to the land. You see it in their traditions, in the way they celebrate harvests, in the vibrant colors of their clothing, in the soulful melodies of their music. It's a culture that's deeply rooted in nature, where respect for the land is passed down through generations. Visit a local village and you'll be welcomed with open arms, invited to share a meal and treated like family. You'll hear stories of their ancestors, of life on the land, and of the challenges and joys that come with it. Section 7. Finding adventure in the heart of Punjab. Saroda ain't just for the nature lovers. It's for anyone looking for a taste of authentic Pakistan, for an experience that's off the beaten path. Go for a camel ride across the Thal Desert, the wind in your hair and the sun on your face. Explore the ruins of ancient forts and mosques, remnants of a rich history. Take a dip in the cool waters of a canal, a welcome respite from the midday heat, and at the end of the day, treat yourself to a feast of traditional Punjabi cuisine, bursting with flavors and spices that'll tantalize your taste buds. Saroda is a place where you can reconnect with nature, immerse yourself in a different culture, and create memories that'll last a lifetime. Section 8, Saroda, a journey worth taking. So if you're tired of the same old tourist traps, if you're looking for something real, something authentic, something that'll stay with you long after you've returned home, then you need to go to Saroda. This is a city that's both humble and proud, a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. It's a reminder that sometimes the greatest treasures are found not in crowded cities or luxury resorts, but in the heartland, where life is simple, genuine, and deeply connected to the land. Saroda is a journey worth taking, a journey into the heart of Pakistan.